Hey Hillfolk fam, so in this series of videos I'm going to be breaking down all of the steps to the large mushroom in the Crochet Mushrooms Kit. This is definitely more of an advanced kit and there's quite a few skills we're going to cover. To do my magic loop, I create a loop around my fingers as shown and then insert my crochet hook into the loop and pull through. And then I do a yarn over and then pull that yarn over through the loop on my hook. So now I'm going to do my chain 1 and I'm going to single crochet 8 stitches into the center of my magic loop. And just to go over what a single crochet is, I am inserting my hook into the center of my magic loop, doing a yarn over, pulling the yarn over through the first loop, then doing another yarn over and pulling through both loops on the hook. Working this first round into your magic loop is always a little bit awkward because you don't have a sturdy base to work into, but once you get this first round down, the subsequent rows are a lot easier. Now that I've worked my 8 single crochet stitches, I'm going to pull on the tail end of the yarn to close up my magic loop. And here I'm just going to remove my crochet hook and make that loop a little bit bigger so it doesn't slip out while I'm tightening down the loop the rest of the way. And here I'm just grabbing a pin to mark the chain 1 that I did at the beginning of the round so I know where to slip stitch the round together. So I'm getting ready to do a slip stitch and I insert my hook into that chain 1 at the beginning of the round, and then I'm going to do a yarn over and pull it through both of the loops on the hook. So now I'm ready to start row 2 and I'm doing a chain 1. And here I am just taking a moment to put a pin into that chain 1 so that I can easily identify where the start of my round is. The instructions now say to work 2 single crochet in each stitch and repeat until the end of the row for a total of 16 stitches. After I complete my 16 stitches, I am going to slip stitch to the first single crochet to join the round. And I'm just going to speed through this little section until I get to the end of round 2. Okay, I'm almost at the end of round 2 and I've slowed it back down. And this is where you can see that it's super helpful to have that stitch marker in that chain 1, because that makes it a lot easier for me to find where to put that slip stitch. I'm working on my slip stitch now, inserting my hook into the chain 1 from the beginning of the round. And if you've stuck with it this far, join me for the next video where I'll be going through rounds 3 through 6.